Alright, new protocol for building cleaning standards. We come in first and we fog under the desks, chairs, under the tables, and this is what I call a contact biocide, bactericide. So it basically kills everything it comes in contact with. It kills the bacteria and the fungi. So this is the first phase in our work. We come in, we set up, and we fog accordingly. Now normally, in most situations, we do an aerosolized fog into the environment, but because this building is a computerized building, uses a lot of computers, we're trying to reduce the moisture. So that's why we restrict the fogging just to the chairs, under the desks, and just simple contact surfaces, so we are not exposing the computers to excess moisture. The next phase of the works is what we refer to as our dry fog phase, where we completely encapsulate the office area with a thick, dry mist that comes in contact with each surface and kills on contact all bacteria. Well, 99% of bacteria, about 98% of all viruses right now, common viruses, and then about 98% of our common fungi categories, which will be Aspergillus, Caliform, Penicillium, the common algae causing fungi. So in a moment we'll show you how the mist enters the building. It completely encapsulates the building, literally reducing the visibility within the building to zero. So guys, we've activated the equipment. As you can see, this is the supply ducts, and what happens is the equipment puts a dense fog into the air duct supply, and the aim is we calculate the overall square footage. Alright guys, as you can see, our fog is being dispensed through the air handling duct system. Now the way this works is we fog the building until we reach a 100% saturation point. Now, in order to reach that 100% saturation point, what we do is we calculate the square footage of the room. So if the room is 100 by 10, that's 1,000 square feet. And then we multiply that by the height of the room, which is another 10. So we end up with 10,000 cubic feet. So we set our equipment to 10,000 cubic feet and calculate the amount of time that we need to run and reach our saturation point. And once that calculation has been done, the equipment will run until we reach that saturation point. Then what we do is we hit a repeat cycle. Now the repeat cycle allows us to add an additional treatment on top of that, which makes sure it's basically for calculated errors and to make sure that our saturation point in terms of our fog reaches the areas furthest away from the air handling systems. So that allows us now to completely treat the entire square footage of the building. The effectiveness of this product is rated at 99%. So we have a 99% kill rate on bacteria. We have a rough 99.9 kill rate on the bacteria side, a 98% kill rate on common viruses, and a 98.5% on common funguses. This allows us to comprehensively treat your office, especially during flu season and common cold season. This treatment will last upwards of 3 months effectively in the duct system and in the general vicinity of the area you've treated. Benefits of this product is 100% natural. I can actually be in the environment with no serious protective gear. Well, if I suffer from asthma, well, that would be a problem. But other than that, no protective eyewear, no protective PEP gear, because the product is rated at 100% natural rating by the EPA standard Bureau of Testing. The odor that we have inside of the building is a pleasant, mild, almost lemon fresh scent, and this odor, when completely dissipated, will leave the building smelling fresh. The fog that you're currently seeing is our 50% marking format, so we'll make our additional application which will give us 100% blanket fog. Okay guys, we are on our second application, which is going to give us that 100% that we're seeking. As you can see, the furthest end of the room is reaching that saturation point where our fog is quickly becoming denser and denser. And once we reach this point of density throughout the building, we know we have completed our treatment protocol. Quick, effective, and easy. Yes, the product is expensive, but it took time to develop the product. We needed a product that was safe for use, and we needed a product that, especially around computers, electronics, and other equipment, would not create moisture to cause erosion and short circuit of the electrical equipment. The fog of itself takes approximately 4 hours to dissipate, so this is a job that has to be done late in the evening. So by early morning, when the staff and staff members come back to work, then it will be a clear, clean, crisp environment. Now we at Environmental and Property Management Services also do remediation services, and we can couple this treatment that is currently being applied in the building with 100% clean protocol, which means we come in and we do what we call housekeeping and industrial maintenance services, where we can literally clean every square inch and not only have the air and the air within the building clean, but we can also have every single surface clean as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and the explanation of the product. If there is any additional information you guys want, feel free to give me a shout. I'll explain it to you. But this is the new duct and air treatment protocol for buildings being treated and managed by Environmental and Property Management Services. New protocol, treatment for buildings, mold and bacteria remediation.